The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. How lovely! Can I adopt it? Of course! Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's search and rescue stray animals. Be sure to care for animals.